Get it, boy. Heck yeah. Hey, good morning, guys. We're heading down to a small little creek that has some pretty big fish. Best friend's taking me fishing along with his son. We'll be doing some catch cook today for a I don't catch, I don't eat. Let's get to the action. Yeah, a 12-foot boat down here and start putting down some float lines.
No, you wouldn't want to use float lines in this current, that's for sure. They get all hung up anyways, even without the current. There's just too much stuff down there.
Yeah. Come on, bud. You got to catch us a fish. Can't believe how much that boy's grown. Yeah, I see it moving. I think that's the buoy messing with the current.
Well, I just seen the tip of the pole go down and back up.
Now it's got the drag release on, so it'll start clicking if it starts pulling.
Right already?
Yep. Fish on. Yep, sure is. Oh, God bless it.
I was afraid of that.
It broke the line. It pulled the hook right out.
Yeah. Want me to go to the house and get some better line you can put on a pole real quick?
Well, what I'm trying to understand is why it's breaking.
Well, because it's thin line, Dave. Oh,
yep.
One.
Nope.
Not big enough.
Something was taking it.
Yeah.
Got a pretty good feeling just under that tree. Actually, you know what? I'll put another worm on. Make it nice and juicy.
Yeah, I like putting them on every now and then, so it's not just...
Yeah, something was definitely taking it.
Yeah, like I was over there and I was just kept on getting bites. Wasn't getting anything. I had one take it real good. I didn't hit it real good though. I think jerk.
Heck yeah. Good job, buddy. Ray, we're eating today. The boy caught a fish. Fish on.
Don't forget the catfish. Maybe one of your drums.
Looks like a drum.
Carp.
Yeah. Use them for bait. That's how you catch some alligator gar.
I've cleaned drum and cut them up and caught blue cats on them out here before when I was setting line.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of people use drum for bait and stuff. I'll tell you honestly, it was good.
I said I tried eating one time and it tasted like hell.
All right, well, since you're gonna copy me, I'm gonna go right up underneath this tree.
Yeah.
Oh dang, I have one on.
Damn. There you go. Get it, boy. Heck yeah. Get it. Keep that rod tip up. Damn, that's a big boy. All right, we might have to actually lip that sucker. Good job.
Oh dang, bro.
Ah. Dude, that was a big catfish.
Yeah, I broke 15-pound line.
Holy cow. Heck yeah, man. All right, well, we're all on the board.
Yeah.
He just
Got one in the shed.
hooked a huge one.
Yeah, Hooked a big one. It broke this 15-pound line here.
He had it right at the shore. The carp or a? Is that the same line I'm putting on this one? He's stuck under stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's definitely under limbs. I guess it's a carp. Let's go. That's 2 down, guys. We ain't gonna starve. Now we're just fishing for dessert. Let's go. Yeah, he was stuck under limbs.
Boy, they'll do that to you. There's the other cold days. You've got a pretty good bite.
Yep.
Oh, don't get in that tree. Get away from there. Oh, he broke it off.
Yeah.
Get against that darn tree. I do believe that was a carp though. He was running pretty hard.
Yeah, look at that. He pulled the hook.
Again?
Yeah.
Keep it right there. Oh, let me help you. Hold on. Take it under that root. I'm gonna try to pick it up and anyway. I think that's a little catfish too. There you go. Nope. No carp. No little carp. Small carp.
So when I was making those, I was pulling them. I wasn't spitting on them and then sliding them down.
That seems pretty solid.
Yeah. The only other thing I can think of is I'm getting bit off.
Well, that could be.
Well, here in a second, I'm gonna go get the cooking stuff. Figure we'll see if we can catch one more here, and if we can. If we can't, we'll just get cooking here in a half hour to an hour. Nice little 5-7 pounder somewhere in there. Talking about getting old. Carp. Those carp are kind of fun to catch. They're fighters. Appreciate you guys inviting me. Oh. It's been way too long since you and I
Appreciate
gone
you coming
fishing.
now.
We didn't invite who was going to catch all the carp.
I caught you and catfish. You undoubtedly got the biggest catfish. That thing had to have been 10 pounds. That is an Apex 16, the Mega Live 2, and a Mega Live 360. We are going to be taking these out in the next video too, learning how to use them, and then taking them out to the iconic Lake Fork for a I don't catch, I don't eat. Except this time, I'm going to be using electronics that I've never used before.